Hi guys, my name is Pim and I'm a computer science and political science major at Duke. I'm gonna be a senior this year. So this video is a part of my project for to reflect about my internship and experience this summer. So as an introduction, I'm interning as a software QA engineer at PlayStation right now, and I live in San Francisco this summer, and it's been really fun. I learned more about myself, and I learned more about computer science. I learned more about what I want to do in life. So in this video I'm just gonna talk about my background and why I chose to do computer science and political science double major, and then I'll talk about what I learned at Duke and just my personal growth, and I'll talk about what I learned so far here and what I learned about myself. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and feel free to reach out if you guys have any questions. Yeah, I'll hope you guys enjoy it. Hello, my name is Pim. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. I only lived in Bangkok when I went to school on weekdays. On weekend, my family and I spent time at our farm. We had dragon fruits, durian, mangoes, and all sorts of vegetables. I rarely ate out. Instead, we cooked the organic and fresh veggies at our farm. I'm really glad my dad took me there early when I was young. I got the best of both worlds. I always went to Thai public schools. It was really interesting. It didn't really train me well for the American education where everyone valued discussions and speaking up. Because all the lectures at my high school was memorization. We didn't really have discussions or essays assignments. I was trained to do multiple choice exams, but I think I learned what it needed to be changed. I want the next generation of young Thai people to learn critical thinking, the importance of free speech as they grow up. My first year at Duke was really hard. It was my first time away from home in Thailand. I got C's in my humanities classes because I didn't know how to discuss in class. Writing and speaking up in class was so hard for me. But now, I definitely believe that it's worth it to go through that struggle. It led me to learn so many things, learning to speak up, learning to share my ideas, and learning to respect other people's ideas. At Duke, I later chose to do double major in computer science and political science. Both areas of knowledge are really interesting for me. For computer science, you follow rules, formulas, and it trained me to think really logically. But in political science, everything is gray. Nothing is flatly right or wrong. So I think both of my majors really complement each other. It shapes my way of thinking to be quite unique. My third year at Duke, here I am in San Francisco. I'm interning at PlayStation in Financial District. The freshman version of me didn't expect this at all. I didn't know what career I wanted to go into, and I just wanted to learn at that point. But now I have these opportunities to turn what I learned in class into practice. Also, outside work, I'm really excited to explore the nature. We went to Monterey Beach. On weekends, we went hiking at Land's End, Presidio, and Golden Gate Park. It's really fun. I can totally see myself living here after graduation. And at work, I'm really excited to learn more about PlayStation 4. We're building the most powerful and impactful technology that impact 60 million people today. And I'm working as a software QA engineer, so the part of the majority of my job is to automate test scripts. Instead of letting testers test the product manually, we can save a lot of time writing some code that can test on the products, and it requires less time and it makes the business model more efficient. So I'm learning a lot this summer, and I hope you guys are learning a lot too. So yeah, please feel free to. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'm really glad I can tell more about my experience and who I am to you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoying this summer too, and see you guys back at the